Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 2 completely. Disconnect any connected peripherals and unplug the AC adapter. It's crucial for safety that you start with the device powered down. Next, carefully flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will notice several screws that secure this panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips holding the panel. If you find it resistant, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the panel off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically positioned near the center. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for maintaining the integrity of your device. If you notice any buildup, use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the area. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Carefully remove the screws that secure the battery in place. Make sure to note their sizes, as you will need to replace them later. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation more easily. Next, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You might need to use your tweezers to pull the connector out carefully. Be cautious not to pull on the wires themselves. Now it's time to install the new battery. Align the new battery with the connectors and secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure the connector is firmly attached to the motherboard, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. Before you reassemble the laptop, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your device to see if it recognizes the new battery correctly. If it does, you can proceed to the next steps. If you encounter issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair to help you understand what might be wrong. Once you've confirmed that the battery is functioning, carefully replace the bottom panel. Press it down firmly to ensure all clips are engaged. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively to avoid stripping them. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug in the AC adapter, and power it on. Check the battery status to ensure it's charging correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga 2. Remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed by DIY repairs, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.